Do you bring your own equipment and products for the clean?
Yes, 100%. When you book a professional Presale Clean with Clean House Melbourne, our team arrives with commercial-grade vacuums, mops, buckets, cloths, and scrubbing tools. Eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning solutions safe for families and pets. All PPE and disinfectants, especially important for allergy-sensitive buyers. Specialty products for stainless steel, glass, grout, oven degreasing, and more. You don't need to provide a thing. Whether your home is vacant, styled, or occupied, we bring everything required to deliver a flawless finish that stands out in listings and inspections. 9 years of experience means we know what works. No shortcuts, no supermarket sprays, and no missed spots. Just old school hard work and real attention to detail.